Well, government will spend 12,000 crore rupees to train 1 crore youth in the next 4 years. It will also make the stay of persons of religious minorities from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh who are living in India easier by allowing them more facilities like bank accounts, PAN cards, driver's license and purchase of property for self-occupation. The Union Cabinet took these and other decisions mentioned in this report today.
Union Cabinet has taken a major decision in order to provide employment opportunities to youth. Under Prime Minister's Skill Development Scheme, government will spend 12,000 crore rupees to train 1 crore youth in the next 4 years. The project aims to train 60 lakh youth in various employment-oriented courses. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana will impart fresh training to 60 lakh youths and certify skills of 40 lakh persons acquired non-formally under recognition of prior learning.
इसमें 60 लाख नौजवानों को नए नौजवानों को ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी और 40 लाख वो होंगे जिनके पास कोई नॉन फॉर्मल अनुभव है, ट्रेनिंग है, उनके नॉन फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग को और अधिक पॉलिश करना, प्रभावी करना। तो ये बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक एक निर्णय किया है।
Government has also decided to extend more facilities to persons from minority communities of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan residing in India. Most of these people are staying on long-term visas and they are from religious communities like Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians. The move is aimed at easing out the difficulties being faced by them and includes permissions to open bank accounts, purchase of property for self-occupation and self-employment, issue of driving license, PAN card and Aadhaar number, allowing free movement within the state UTs where they are staying. Besides this, the registration fee for the citizenship of India has been reduced to ₹100 from the existing range of ₹3,000 to ₹15,000.
भारत सरकार में सिटीजनशिप को लेने के आवेदन देने के बारे में उनको पहले 3,000 से 15,000 रुपये देने पड़ते थे, अब उससे घटाकर 100 रुपया कर दिया गया है। तो आज भारत सरकार ने एक बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक फैसला करते हुए ये जो लॉन्ग टर्म वीसा पर जो परसिक्यूटेड माइनॉरिटीज हैं इन तीनों देशों के, उनको ये सुविधा दी है।
Government has also approved the change of name from Rajendra Central Agricultural University to Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University. In another major decision, Cabinet has approved the revival of defunct fertilizer units in Gorakhpur, Sindri and Baruni. These 3 fertilizer units would be revived by means of special purpose vehicle. The setting up of new units will meet the growing demand of urea of Bihar, West Bengal and Jharkhand. With inputs from Sudhakar Das for News 9 Desk.